Hello, it's me, Brianna Hollywood07, and I got Capri Sun on my shirt. And it's...
I got a mustache 1, 2, 3, and I have nothing on my
Shut up, dog. Okay, so this is an update video. We just got out for Christmas break. Woo! Our dance got canceled.
Sad. I was mad.
Because I bought a dress for it. You want to go see it? Let's go see it. What? Not fair.
Get her done.
Okay. So, Sarah, I have, if you can tell. Okay. So,
We made up the awesomest thing ever.
a handshake.
Can't see this. Oh wait, stand back.
Okay. So this is our, what should we call it? Like
Our
the name
handshake.
of the handshake.
I don't know. I don't know.
Christmas handshake?
No. That's lame.
Xmas handshake?
No, it's fine.
I don't know.
We'll just call it our handshake.
Jefferson handshake.
No.
Okay, it's
Call
our
it
handshake. Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Ow, ow, ow!
Run, boo!
Right to your mama.
And your daddy.
Miss my high hip below!
Jefferson kid, flip me off.
Fly like a bird.
Hey, you with the face.
Fresh word. Yeah! So, yeah, that's our handshake. You want to go see my nephew? Cheers. Hey, Brady. Hey,
You see those
sweetie.
kids? You see them?
Yeah. Here's his jumper. Yeah, so that's pretty much an update.
Oh
God.
What?
So yeah, bye.